guys, okay, it's Edward. I'm here live in the Pop Rocket right now. As you can see, I'm in a toilet. It is really cool. Loads of cool things happen here in the toilet. There's the mirror. There's me. I'm chilling. I'm in an airplane right now. Like right now, on a flight right now. A real flushable toilet. A toilet that can flush by itself. Anyway, okay, this is the second installment. You might have seen me before in an airplane toilet, but not toilets like this. This toilet is not like any other toilet. It's a really cool toilet. It's got a toilet. It says the name, but anyway, we're gonna now flush the toilet. Let's flush it. We're gonna flush it. It doesn't get any better than that, people, here at the Edward Show. Anyway, we've also got tissue here in the show, which is really cool. I'm now sitting on a toilet in the airplane. As you can see, I've got tissue. Really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna go to John because I'm here all by myself. Wait. Hey. Okay. I'm testing out the button. The button looked pretty cool. It was red. I had to press it. Yeah, I'm okay. Alright, sorry.
Shut fast, yeah, shut fast, too late.